Hi, my name is Deepthi. Sawing different types of metals of different sections requires choosing the appropriate saw blade. For example, a bimetal blade with high-speed steel teeth can be used to cut harder metals, while a carbide-tipped blade is better for cutting softer metals. Today, we are going to learn about how to saw different types of metals of different sections.
At the end of this demonstration, you will be able to cut different thickness of metals, cut sections of metals. Tools required: steel rule, Jenny caliper, a hacksaw frame with blade, dot punch, ball peen hammer, equipment required: bench vise, leveling plate, First, we'll be looking at sawing on round rod. Check the raw material using steel rule. File the round to size diameter 25 into 100 mm. Remove the burrs from the edges. Apply marking media only where marking is required. Place the round rod on leveling plate. Use V-block to support while marking the round rod. Punch witness marks on the sewing lines with dot punch. Hold the job in bench vise. Fix 1.8 mm pitch hacksaw blade in hacksaw frame. File a notch at the point of cutting to avoid slippage of the blade. Start cutting with a slight downward pressure on round rod using hacksaw. Cut on the hacksawing line, giving proper pressure on forward and return stroke using full length of the blade. Cutting movement should be steady while sawing on round rod. While finishing the cut, slow down the pressure to avoid breakage of the blade and injury to yourself and others. Check the size of the round rod with steel rule. Note: selection of hacksaw blade. For soft materials, use 1.8 mm pitch blade while sawing. For hard materials, use 1.4 mm pitch blade while sawing. Next, we'll have a look at how to saw on steel angle. Mark and punch the sawing lines. Hold the job in benchwise. Fix 1.8 mm coarse pitch blade in hacksaw frame. Cut along the sawing lines with hacksaw. Check the size of the angles with steel rule. Note: caution. Select correct pitch blade according to the shape and materials to be cut. While sawing, 2 or more teeth of blade should be in contact on metal section. Next, we'll have a look at sawing on pipe. Mark and punch the sawing lines. Hold the job in benchwise. Fix 1.0 mm pitch blade in hacksaw frame. Cut along the sawing lines with hacksaw. Turn and change the position of the pipe while hacksawing. Note: caution. Avoid over-tightening the pipe in the vise, which causes deformation. Do not cut too fast. Cut very slow and reduce pressure while cutting through.
Let's have a recap of what we have learned today. We have learned to cut different thickness of metals, cut sections of metals,
Thus, we have learned
how to saw different types of metals of different sections. Hope you have a clear understanding on this. Do this exercise with the help of your instructor.